Dear blockchain and crypto trader and community, welcome to this weekly news update provided by Teroxx. And this is what we're gonna talk about today. First of all, we'll have a compilation of all the hot news coming along, as well as to take a look on inflation as a danger for Bitcoin full nodes. And we will head over to a new attestation report on stablecoin USDC. And we will talk about that Coinbase is public in over 100 countries now. Last but not least, Facebook registers a new fintech firm. And now let's start. So here you can see the top stories, price movement, quotes, and FATs of the week. So first of all, Bitstamp starts investigation after large BT sell leads to $250 million liquidated on BitMEX. And how you may know, on BitMEX you can work with leverages, and BitMEX often having different prices than all the other exchanges, and so some people think BitMEX is manipulating the market. They're writing down here, some crypto commentators suggested that the sell order could be made by mistake, with the order's owner having meant to sell at 8,200 instead of 6,200. So all in all, this is quite interesting, and let's see what will happen over there. Flexa launches app where shoppers can spend crypto. So basically US retailers accepting crypto for shopping. And the US SEC delays decision on Bitwise BTC ETFs, seeks public comment. As well, here you can see that the SEC is always delaying the decisions and wants to hold BTC small. But will roll out first Bitcoin futures testing in July 2019. This is what made the market so bullish. So BACT is ready in July to roll out and test all the Bitcoin futures. eBay denies rumors it will start accepting crypto. There were some rumors that you can pay on eBay with cryptocurrencies soon, but this was quite a fraud. Now let's talk about inflation bugs, still a danger to more than half of all Bitcoin full nodes. And here you can see that the most BTC full nodes still vulnerable to the inflation bug. Given the nature of the bug, the developers kept it a secret, quietly releasing a new version of the client. An expert from the September 2018 Common Vulnerabilities and Exposes report released by Bitcoin Core reads, in order to encourage rapid upgrade, the decision was made to immediately patch and disclose the less theory's denial of service, and concurrently with reaching out the miners, businesses and other affected systems while delaying publication of the full issue to give times for systems to upgrade. So basically here you can see that there is some upgrades and that not everyone can follow this, and so that some accounts and some full nodes will not be listed on the network or having a bug. And this is quite interesting due to this could of course affect the market and the price. Circle releases another attestation report on stablecoin USDC, and this is always quite interesting due to the stablecoins like USDC or Tether. They always say that they are backed 100%, but no one can really secure this news. So basically, Circle releases a new attestation to show the people what is right, what is wrong, and how much are they backed. Here you can see USD coin is an Ethereum-based token compliant with the ERC20 standard. It was first announced in May last year and released in September. So it's quite a new coin, and the report released by the firm stated that of April 30, 2019 Pacific time, there were 293 million USDCs issued, and that there were exact a small higher amount in the firm's reserves. So lastly, the audit firm claims that at the time specified above, the issued and outstanding USDC tokens did not exceed the balance of the US dollars held in custody. And according to CoinMarketCap data, USDC market cap currently exceeds 359 million and is up 40% from over the value from the report. So basically, again, that there is no transparent information you can use to see if it's backed or not. Coinbase is now available in over 100 countries, and here you can see that the blockchain and crypto all more and more getting in all the countries, getting in your daily life, and that you can earn cryptos wherever you are. And this is quite interesting to you. It's in the article with the barriers in some countries. One of the biggest barriers preventing people from exploring a new digital asset was a lack of knowledge about that asset. Many of the people we surveyed expressed a strong desire to be learning about new and different crypto assets beyond Bitcoin, but didn't know where to begin. And here Coinbase tried to do and give the service, and now they are in more than 100 countries. Facebook registers new fintech firm in Switzerland, and how you know Facebook is working on their own blockchain project, they're working on their own coin, and now the next step is done. A new fintech firm in Switzerland. Firm in Switzerland provides the following: service in the fields of finance and technology, as well as the development and production of software and related infrastructure, in particular in connection with investment activity, the operation of payments, financing, identity management, data analysis, big data, blockchain, other technologies. So here you can see it's a complete setup for working on a huge blockchain project. And Facebook registered the trademark Libra with United States Patent and Trademark Office back in June, which was reportedly part of its secretive in-house crypto project. So let's see what will happen over here, but this is definitely the next step for a blockchain project by Facebook. Last but not least, Venezuela and Russia discuss mutual trades in petrol and Russian ruble. And may you know, there's a huge crisis in Venezuela, and Russia is still holding hands with the current leader. And due to their sanctions and no money in Venezuela, there's a huge crisis. They're talking about trading petrol against the Russian ruble. And yeah, so Venezuela is considering to close mutual trade settlements with Russia using the ruble, and this is quite interesting due to here you can see how blockchain or crypto can be shipped, can be traded, can be transferred, and help people or helping even governments outside the box, outside the banking box, to gain new money. This is quite interesting due to there was this petro digital currency which was oil backed, and this was a very controversial project that was launched early in 2018. And yeah, now Russia may want to help them using this petro against the ruble. So thank you for watching this video. These news this week were quite interesting. I hope you liked this video. I would love if you could share, comment, and like this video, and we will hear us next time when it comes to weekly crypto update provided by Teroxx.